Right, we're jumping straight into this one. If you want to see what I've been up to, go watch my other videos. Come on, I need the watch time. We're in Don Det, Laos. We're going to go around the island today, so let's crack on. I really thought they were chatting shit when they called this place 4,000 Islands, but I believe them, and what a place of natural beauty, honestly. Hello.
La massage.
Good job. No. The moment you've all been waiting for. Yes, I teased it in the last video. I give Gorman a riding lesson on my bike.
So, why is she giving her bike lesson on that bike?
To be fair, she does really well. This bike is 230 kilos and it's huge for someone her size, but she still manages to get clutch control down and ride it until it all goes a little bit squiffy. Dead to the right. Even after dropping the bike, she still gets back on it and keeps on riding. Like, what a trooper.
Oh no.
The clutch all the way out? Yeah? Let the clutch out. There you go. Now just focus on steering. You survived.
I survived.
Steve.
You're very cute, but your tongue is absolutely gross.
You ready?
No, I want to stay with the cow now.
We can put him on the back.
Yeah, look at his eye.
How was that beef the other night? Leaving now, only to over there. I've convinced myself and my budget ways that it's cheaper to ride up this island to the next ferry than get a ferry all the way across. And what an experience this is, because this isn't touristy island. This is just local people, no roads and no infrastructure, and this is what it's really like. This is what Laos is really like around here, not this built up touristy area. Translator hard at work. Now at the other end, onto the ferry, and some kids are going across as well. Get the helmets. This is the normal routine.
You want me to take it?
Yeah, go on, take it. It's videoing already. Once I'd finished being a man-child, I'm going to tell you what we're up to this episode. We are going to do the Pakse loop, otherwise known as the Laos Waterfall loop. I'm optimistic about doing. We all know how well it went on the last waterfall that we couldn't find. The front light is shaking loose. Anyway, we first started off with beautiful tarmac and then got hit with our first proper taste of Laos roads. Bear in mind that only 30% of Laos is tarmacked roads, like hard surface roads. The rest of are like this, mud, dust, rock, and very dangerous. Anyway, we persevere. We make our way to go see the first waterfall. Woohoo! They're difficult, and then there's some nice bits. This is all right. This is like quite flat stuff. It's quite hard. It's a bit slippy, and there's a few like potholes and jumps which are quite fun. A lot of weight on the back of the bike. I keep grounding out. Gormala getting battered on the back of the bike and covered in dust. Passenger princess on the back.
Yeah, waving to
waving to everyone. Does feel like royalty. Everyone waves at you, or we wave at everyone and they all wave back. Yes! Oh yeah! No more bumps. Oh my god! Good job! Fuck it up. There you go, that pretty much sums up how bad that was. We ended up not making it to first waterfall on this trip. We had a 200k day, mostly off-road, which took up way too much time. So the time we would have got to the waterfall, it would have been dark. All that way today, just to fall over when we go to a sunset. We literally made it all day through those really shit roads. We come to have a look at this sunset and the bike falls over. Not impressed from the emerging from the grass. From the grass. It's the day 2 on the loop. We found tarmac again and it's going to carry on all the way back to Pakse, which is great. We love this stuff. Hopefully today we actually get a waterfall in, but I think this one today is going to be the best by far. As we start climbing through the mountains, we hit some elevation and it really starts to get a bit cold. Waterfall thoughts?
Pretty, but you can't swim. 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10, we'd try and swim again.
You know, the thing about life is everything goes for some people and nothing goes for other people. So man, I live free, not in there. Nah, go on. Yeah. True. Money walk back. Share me duck back. Some say I go back, ladder. Body there for backyard, oh. Money walk back. Share me duck back. Some say I go back, ladder.
Pakse loop complete. Now we're on to Taket. As normal.
See me rolling on a moon normal. Set in your moon normal. 1 kilometer.
Day 1 of starting the bike loop in Taket. Caves, waterfalls, zip lines, the lot. So see you in the next episode.